Hi, kindergarten. Now, because we've been following a pattern, and patterns do the same thing again and again and again, you probably know exactly what we're going to be doing today. Okay, let's do it. Now, of course, if we weren't doing online learning, and if you were actually in the classroom with me, I could say, put up your hand if you want to do this. And probably a few of you would put your hands up. And some of you would be like, oh, I can do it, but I don't want to put my hand up. Right? Anyway, I'll do it today because I'm all on my own. Ready? This pattern down here, should we count in tens? Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10? Never mind. Okay, a 1 and a 0, a 2 and a 0, a 3 and a 0, a 4 and a 0, a 5 and a 0, a 6 and a 0, a 7 and a 0, an 8 and a 0, a 9 and a 0, a 10 and a... Oh, it follows a pattern. A 10 and a 0. Let's put a 10 and a 0. Ta-da! Want to see that? A 10 and a 0. What do we call that? 99, 100. It's 100. Should we count in tens again? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yeah. Okay, so now, of course we know that 8 and 0 is 80, and 80 is the ruler of the 4s. 80 is the ruler of the 8s, and look, there they are, tucked in there. And then this is all our 1s, 2s, 3s. Oh, look at all the 4s, 5s, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, don't be silly, Miss Andrew. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, yes, I know. So we're on our 80s. After 80, we're going to have, of course, our 81, and then our 82, and our 83, and our 84, and our 85, and our 86, and our 87, and our 88, and our 89, and of course 89, 90, because after 8 comes 9, so after the 80s comes the 90s. But of course none of these would be 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 without the 8s in front of them. So let's get our 8s out, and in they go. Now we can properly say that is 81. That is now 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 80, 87, 88, ooh, 2 8s. Ready? 2 8s, 2 7s, 2 6s, 2 5s, 2 4s, 2 3s, 2 2s, 2 1s. That means right down here we could expect there to be 2 9s. And that's kind of how it is, because we know that it's 99, 100. 99 comes before 100, and 99 is 9, 9. And back to our 80s, we've got 88, 89, 90. And of course you know, because we're following a pattern, what the next lesson will be, don't you? Patterns are very helpful for telling us what to do next. Even if nobody tells us, the pattern will, right? I haven't told you what to do next, but because you know the pattern's told you. Okay, good job, guys. And of course you know that your next job is to get out your little 100 squares where we've been colouring in, and it's time to do all the 8s. So look on there, find all the 8s. That's your lesson for today. Remember, colour in everywhere you see an 8. Here's all my 8 numbers coloured in with yellow, and I also coloured in using green all my double numbers. 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 2 6, 2 7, 2 8s and 2 9s. And you can see that they make a diagonal pattern. A diagonal is kind of like one part of the criss-cross. That's called diagonal, kind of going sideways like that. Yeah.